So what's up, legends? So I know, like, there is a market is bombarded with the single message: do a six and figure or do a seven figure with the various kind of businesses. Yes, yeah, market is very bombarded with this kind of message: do a six figure, do a seven figure, right? Right. But what's freedom looks like? Everyone is saying become a financial independent, become a financial. Okay. So do you have that capacity to become financial independent or become financial free? I know, because that capacity is in the world is only 1% people is having that capacity. The reason why, I will tell you why. Okay, the market is bombarded with the single message: do a six figure and seven figure, and none of this, like everyone is saying do a six figure with drop shipping, do a six figure with digital marketing agency business, drop servicing, which is recently pop up. Okay, there are many ways, like this guys are saying make money online, make money online, right? But but I know how it feels when you try something and it doesn't work, then you again change the business, then you again change the business, then you again change the business. Similar like how the digital marketers do. Once they don't even know what they are doing actually, honestly. Okay, they keep changing the niche on niche on niche on change, and whenever they know what most matter is to generate leads and close the sale, that's it. But then also they keep buying on courses and courses and courses and coaching and DMing hundreds of people to find out that secret sauce. But there is nothing like a secret sauce. You just need to master one delivery process. Maybe it's traffic, maybe it's leads, maybe it's growth, Instagram growth, maybe it's any form of, right, any form of service which you have to master. And in that you have to make your first six figure. Okay, if you cannot make even $100 online, you cannot make six figure. Remember that. If you cannot make even $100, you cannot make six figure online. So stop purchasing all those courses from this all BS gurus and all the people. They just want to make money online, that's it. None of the motive they have. Like, there are a few people who are smashing it online, like genuine people, you should follow them and all. But the thing is, like, okay, you should stop buying courses to just find that secret sauce. Listen again, stop buying courses to get that secret sauce, because there is nothing like a secret sauce. You just need to master one delivery process. Maybe it's traffic, right? Maybe it's traffic, maybe it's leads, maybe it's Instagram growth, maybe it's Facebook ads, maybe it's blah blah things. So you have to master it. And even what you can do is you can buy books. The first time you can buy books on it. Buy hundreds of books, not 100, just few books, like from the top authors, like who are smashing it in the industry. Buy that books, not hundreds of books. Don't buy that. Only few couple of books you can buy. Purchase 100 RS, 200 RS, $5, $10 books. There are lots of secrets in it. Okay, you don't need this all courses to master it. Just focus on one mastery process. Master the one service. Don't think about hey, I want to sell website, I want to sell leads, I want to sell Instagram, and they keep focusing on all this bullshit and they don't know what they are doing. They just focus, they think like the mindset which I'm going to tell you, they think like, if I don't sell any other service, I can't grow. So they are in the scarcity mindset. So they don't come out of their comfort zone. I don't come out from the scarcity mindset, which is locking them into a perception that if they don't sell any other services than one service, they will not get any more sales or leads, or they not scale. But at the end, after coaching over hundreds of people, I have found that the people who are in the scarcity mindset, like they sell many services, they can make, they are not actually, they are not even getting clients. Even they are getting clients, there are few clients they are working with, because they are not mastering the one cycle formula, which is one niche, one offer, one service, right? One target audience. So you have to master, you have to find your niche. Even in many videos I keep repeating this: find your niche, dominate it. But even some people think, I want to sell to all these guys, I will make tons of money. But at the end, I am telling you, ask yourself, have you made any money by just being general or selling many services? Tell me the truth. Have you made any money from last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, as being as a generalist and even trying to sell multiple services, being unique. Okay, you have to know the process of positioning yourself in the market. Okay, as I have coached over hundreds of people, I have teach that same thing, but only couple of people implement it, and they are now successful and making money online by providing services to other people, right? So it's a simple formula actually, but still people will say, I will go general. I will see as many of my students also in the course, they are just being general and trying to grab everyone attention, and then they stuck and they don't get kind and they don't scale. Even they don't make content online. They are shy. That's why they don't make content. They are scared of what people will think. They're scared of the parents, their relatives, their friends, what they will think, and they want to make 6-figure. They don't want to overcome this all process. That's the truth. That's a harsh truth, which no one accept. And the people who don't accept that and they don't overcome, they are unsuccessful. Ask yourself, have you made any content online? Have you made any video online till yet? If you are not made, means not. Even if you have money, thousands of dollars, you can spend on ads and get clients. That's simple, right? That's simple. But what if you don't have like lakhs of monies or thousands of dollars online? You have to build video. So it's not that making videos, it's just if you don't want to spend on ads. Even you have to make your personal brand. You have to build video all on your social media if you got to get attention, attraction. Why these tops guys are making tons of videos? All this guys, I don't want to name it, but yeah, you see, they are busy, but they're still making content. Now you will say they have team. They have started somewhere. That's why they have team right now. They was building content from long time, and this guy is like, nowadays I am very busy, and I don't want to make content. So these guys are like that, and they are in the scarcity mindset, and what people will think about it, and that's what the resistance concept come from. So let's say you are at the point A and you want to go to the point B. Maybe it's your first 6-figure and all the way, whatever you want to make online, whatever, like in your business, in your life, whatever your goal you want to achieve. They set the goal, they don't get, because whenever they are trying to move, something is that what do you say, it's pulling them back. It's pulling them back actually, and because of that they think they will make 6-figure. They keep purchasing course, but their mindset, their brain, okay, let me tell you one thing. Our brain is function to secure us, okay, to make us safe. So that's why it's react like that. But it's your responsibility. Program it very good way. It's a program. Mind is a program. You have to recode your mind. So when you start recoding your mind, okay, you will know that this all was myth. So you have to try to recode your mind, install new system, a new 2.0 human, as we are mission, okay, to create a new breeds of entrepreneurs online, which are more fast than anyone else, who want to create their own destiny, okay, who take responsibility, who want to change the world and inspire people. We are on a mission to create that kind of entrepreneurs in this world, to make the world with happy peace, okay. So you have to do that, okay. So when you are trying to go, something is there. Maybe it's government, maybe it's industry, maybe it's raining outside, maybe it's something, maybe you don't have that laptop, maybe you don't have something which you want, but it's something which is stopping you. Maybe it's your own mind which is stopping you, because your mind is programmed like that. Try to feel me what I'm trying to say to you. Try to feel me into that. Just don't listen to me. Try to feel it, absorb the information, okay. So whenever you're trying to move, okay, something is that will always pull up. Hey, I don't want to go ahead. Hey, I don't want to go ahead, and you don't get success. That's the only reason you don't get success, because you always pull back. So what to do for that? So you have to be at that position. You have to manifest yourself that you are there already. You are living that huge lifestyle. You have all that stuff, and you just have to create it. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, the people who build the house, properties, buildings and all, okay, they don't care about where the material is coming from, where the bricks is coming on, where the cement is coming on, where the colors is coming on. Alright, they just do what that contractor tells. So your contractor is your mind actually, which is telling you to do the stuff. So if you tell them to use that material, whatever you have right now, and to create it, so your mission will be, your goal is to create, not to fix your past, not to fix all your past or anything which is holding you back. So you just go and create it. Similar like this, all people do. They want to build this big empire, or they just want to build this big building. Just go and create it. They don't think about it. Okay, let me give you one example. Let's say you order something on Amazon and you sit back and relax for 3 days, 2 days. You know that will come to you. Similar you have to do in your life. No matter in Amazon or any very website which you are making order, you don't care about how many people are working there, who is delivering you. It comes from hundreds of kilometers, thousands of kilometers away. Product is delivering to you by help of hundreds of people. So similar, when you try, you take action, God will help you, the universe will help you to achieve that. Okay, so you just build it and create it, and God will help you, the universe will help you when you take action and implement. Every action has a reaction. That's a law, universal law. Every action has a reaction. Okay, so you have to take action and be at that position and remove all the resistance which is holding you back. And if you don't do that, you will always be at the point A, minimum guy. Okay, so don't be a minimum guy. So you have to become a successful. So that's why you have to think like a successful. You have to create it. You don't have to react to your situation. Just build it. Go out and create it. Build it. Stop buying courses and all. Okay, just create it. You just need leads. Focus on how you will generate leads. Facebook, Instagram, all this world of social media, you will get hundreds of leads. Just you need the right messaging, positioning. I will create lots of videos on this. But yeah, self-education is also important. So what I believe is, if anyone is having the right education and right structure, they can build anything in the world. One of the biggest example is Elon Musk. He built his own structure. He built his own life rules, ethics, business ethics. He created. He want to create it. That's why he created. He just don't want to show to other people what he is doing. He just want to build it. He just want to live it. That's why he created. Right? So just go and create it. That's it. That's what I want to say. Just go and create it. Don't focus on what's coming next. Just go and create it, and you will move 100% faster than you was doing. Okay, so by the way, this video is without scripted because I was testing my new lighting setup. This all I was just testing this video. I just wake up at 1 a.m. because my sleep cycle is a little bit different. Then so sometimes I sleep at 8 p.m. to 12, sometimes I sleep from 10 to 4. So mostly my sleep is like that. So I just wake up at 12 or 3 a.m. most of the time, 12 or 3 a.m. and I do the work, and all days similar habit. Like habit is from for last 5 years, so it's not from now. I keep working on the things. So okay, so you just want to create it. Go and create it. I was just testing this phase, how it looks like, and this video was unscripted. I don't know, I just know what this all was coming from my heart. I didn't even script it. Okay, so this was like I was just testing this all stuff, how it looks, I was just excited to post, so that's why I did it. But right now I'm working on something very special for you all people. Okay, on marketing, on LinkedIn, on how to generate leads, many things which you will not find on any of these YouTube channels, with lots of graphics, animation, B-rolls. Okay, many things, color grading. I am going to build an epic video for all you people to dominate the market, to create a new breed of entrepreneur. Okay, see you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that, kick it, whatever you want to do with that red button, do it now. Okay, see you in the next video.